well, and PA gone. When it rains its pores, they are all falling apart. The Lena just bought back. You can't lose Ajit right here. Oh my god.
That was the most game-winning axe call I've ever seen.
Did he have the AoE?
I don't think so. I think.
What level? Oh, he's level 24.
He like,
4 heroes.
Like there was a preemptive Jakiro ice path, and he dodged that while they were smoked and got.
Oh no, he got the call on the BKB.
This is unbelievable.
That's just GG.
All right,
that's 2 diebacks. They may as well just call it.
Yeah, I wanted to wait for the graphs to update a little bit before I hit the button, but this is the end of the game, I believe.
Oh, it was coming back.
Look at this is the probability that they would win.
It was at 50-50 just like 3 minutes ago. Oh man, Ice played a hell of a game. That's up to him.
Well, they BKB the Ravage, and now just going to continue to pummel into Moon. They want to make one last stand, if at all possible. Snowball pulling them on a little bit deeper, but there is no damage. There is no more game. They take number 1, Fnatic. Big stuff.
And they had a very dominant early game, but Tigers kind of held on with some great PA play. But nicely done, Ice.
Look at that.
Definitely the MVP of this game. Does give Lifestealer a nice like feast target to kind of regen and heal off of, but end of the day, if DK's staying alive, he can frontline for you and bait out the initiation.
He'll probably win the lane in terms of CS slightly, but he'll do that to anybody. So you can just buff up a traditional carry, give them a bunch of experience that otherwise wouldn't be able to get by putting them in the mid lane. I think Jabs is actually dead.
Oh, nice block off.
Ajit finding the kill there.
They did find the kill down in the bottom lane, but still not looking terrible by any stretch of the imagination. Pango actually ahead of the puck right now.
Lifestealer is destroying the DK actually. Maybe not destroying, but very, very well.
Silence has gotten a lot of buffs recently, and Ajit very low is going to go down. And now the Nightmare, the walk away, he's healing back up as well. Oh, great play coming out from Fnatic. It's going to save their lives and maybe even find another one here. They have a mango.
Yep. He's going to go for it.
Mango for Pango.
Nice done.
2 furrow.
Okay.
Really nice Nightmare save from Jabs there.
Oh my god, if he dies because he doesn't have another bracer and he has a Blight Stone.
The thing is, it's just for damage too, because the lifesteal doesn't increase anymore, so.
Right. Not that much damage though.
Maybe it's going to get him a kill here, actually.
Hey, no. Maybe we're wrong.
He just keeps on walking ever closer and trying to get out. Not going to do it.
Was it the Blightstone?
I think it was the 2 supports that do.
Alright, Jar already doing a decent amount of damage to that top 2 on tower. Yeah. Down near deny range, but not quite. And that prompts Tigers to come on up here. They want to stunt this Gyrocopter's growth a bit.
Just the 1 point burrow, but it looks like it's going to be enough as they find him. Still regen coming in from DJ as they try and escape, but to no avail as they'll take down 1, possibly going to take down 2 as Ajit. It's a double. Yeah. Good rotation and they end up making it work. Let's see if they head back to this lane again. I mean, they don't have Epi this time, but they do still have a Burrow Strike. Silence the Gyro.
Get him again. They don't quite have the damage, it looks like. And Bane's coming in.
Oh my god, Zephyr. He just dies to Flak. Bring in Lifestealer now, see if they can make something else happen. Open wounds, there's the Dream Coil onto 2. Burrow Strike as well onto the Bane, so we can't get off any Nightmare save. But nonetheless, it's a lot of damage coming out from this Gyrocopter. They're trying to get the kill. It's like with the rotation, it's a long TP, but it's short enough. And Ajit able to dodge away for the moment. He might not jump to that orb, but still gonna die. Triple kill for MP.
All of that was initially possible for Tigers because Puck hit 6 before Pango. Pretty greedy 5 positions who loves playing these like Jakiros and Wyverns and just telling his carry, go go, get out of this lane. This is my lane now.
Yeah.
This is the dead lane.
Oh,
I'm
look
gonna-
at
I'm gonna
this
take
setup
spot.
right here. Jabs waiting behind, has grip available. They're
They-
going to TP in a couple,
They have to
has it
relocate.
immediately onto the Sand King, and now with the relocate coming in, they're going to be able to take down 2 most likely. Oh, maybe not, although they're moving in with Zephyr as well. He's trying to save this fight. It's not looking so good for him. And again, all set up by Jabs in the back.
God, that
Lifestealer's
rolling
gone.
thunder. The very end, he's stunning people. Heads up play from Jabs. Knows he can just grip the Sand King, kill him. He's the guy that can escape, cause problems, use the Burrow Strike. Lifestealer has no way to cancel the grip. And he rages. Yeah, he's maybe going to threaten to kill Anaya, but you're going to win the fight.
Oh, Nightmare save. MP living for the moment, but not long enough. And Ajit makes a little bit
He's in
something for
trouble.
himself, but it's going to be brought down.
Good fight for Fnatic, even though they lose their gyro there. And he's getting the levels anyways, but
Oh,
it's maybe going for some cheeky tower damage there, but
oh, look at though. They're moving up top. They want to try and gank
yeah.
while they're fighting in the mid lane.
talked about it last IO game, you generally want to go to the IO lane because you go to the other heroes and there's a relocate.
Oh,
Problem is you're at a tower.
Sand
Go to
King.
the IO lane when they're away from towers, maybe.
Yeah. The Pango TPs have been such a problem. They just can't fight into the Pango right now. He's just on
Threads
point.
the needle. Ice 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 is so good on this hero. We'll see if they can get like any tower damage in, but Abed's already back. Yeah, this is all right. This is really bad. He actually doesn't have an orb again for a second. He's just gonna get gripped.
The phase shift was on cooldown for the DK stun.
Reeves is just.
Oh, well, Io's got the mech, so maybe maybe he goes like
yeah.
a Yules or
It's
something.
always so funny, like seeing just DJ have these items. Like he's not incredibly farmed this game relative to a normal DJ game, but he's still the most farmed of all the supports.
That's the nice thing about Wisp.
Oh,
Last game
rolling in. The Fiend's Grip as well. They're going to be able to Burrow Strike to try and interrupt it, but this is still Lifestealer in trouble, and he's just dead. Couldn't get anything off. Zephyr is gone. Also, they're going to buy back on Lifestealer now.
Well, that's risky.
Still caught in the soul bind. Yeah, well, they don't have Fiend's Grip anymore. Is Abed just going to go to work and take down the Jakiro, stun the Sand King, Nightmare and Runaway and Lifestealer. Ugh.
Tips. I'm liking it, but
These are friendly tips, man. That's EA.
He just nightmares and runs away.
They're all
It's like, it's not even happening. Oh,
I mean, I guess, you're playing 5-position support. You used to be a core player and a 4-position player. You don't get to have as much fun. So
Yeah, this is how you have fun in these games.
you tip.
damage issues, or have they solved the problem? Damage issues still
It's
there?
damage issues.
Abed running away.
DK issues.
They jump inside of their
Oh
Sand King
boy,
buddy.
that's a dieback if he's not careful.
All he wants to do is kill Jabs. He finally gets it.
Tip
But
Jabs.
is it worth it?
Oh.
Look at the lifesteal. Look at the lifesteal. This hero, it's insane, but it's not enough. And they're going to be able to find a kill.
Jab's gonna tip him again.
Oh, please do.
The dieback, tip the dieback, or is it on cooldown?
He might have run out.
Silence from Puck.
Been tipping a lot.
Well, slow down. Gets the silence instead of the disarm. That's pretty nice against the Jakiro here.
Yep. That's 4 down.
Oh,
Oh, he tips his teammate.
Huh, that must have been a misclick. Not a hero that really wants to build into a Monkey King bar.
Particularly with the current items, he's going to be very squishy if he gets like a pure damage item next.
Yeah.
look at how long it takes to kill this illusion.
Well, he's still a king.
I don't think they're talking about.
Yeah, they're not. They're
Yeah,
not.
I'm pretty sure.
No.
You know what the plan
Low
is here?
farms.
You guys got to get your GPM talents. Oh God, no! Say it.
Oh, this is the same thing.
This is terrible.
Is this a
Didn't we see
replay?
this before?
This
What's
is a replay.
happening?
Oh, that's a bug, by the way.
What's about?
The Grimstroke ulti stopping the Pango in place.
Well, that's
Feature. We're casting a Valve official TPC tournament.
Because he was
Bugs
turned,
don't exist.
lose item advantage, all of a sudden, it's not so easy to take fights.
man, and difference this game is obviously one, your cores are a lot squishier for Tigers, but also you've got a Maelstrom, all this magical damage. They do find the pain at the start of the fight. This is the best looking fight that they've taken so far. Can it turn into something more? BKB's out onto 2 cores. They get the Life Stealer Infest, seeing if they can keep their buddies alive, but Moon looks like he is going to fall, and now Wonderkid trying to escape from the flurry of action, and Ajit doesn't have a Dream Coil anymore. They're still trying to turn this back around with the Lifesteal coming from the Life Stealer. Raged up, but not living. And, well, 1437 can only look on in dismay as his entire team is dead around.